Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Guys, did you guys watch Mnakwethu? I'm so troubled by this. I didn't get how old the guy was, right? I just didn't get how old the guy was. But the first wife is 20. Fine, I admit that when I got married, I was young, like I was 23. But like 20, go polygamy, being the first wife. The second wife is 19. The second wife is like 19. At 19, so uzibona mamncane bathi khuluma idlozi li-10. Yo guys, that's why guys, no one can ever convince me otherwise when it comes to indaba yedlozi, because idlozi li-biased and idlozi likhuluma lilodwa. Ifana nomuntu ozothi God said I must marry you. God must confirm that with me as well. But I was just worried to see this guy. How old was he when he was dating the 16-year-old? And when he was dating the 16-year-old, were they doing cloth or not? If they were doing cloth, isn't that automatically statutory R? I don't know, guys. I don't know. I think these people just get too excited to be on TV and they forget the implications. If you watched yesterday's episode of Mnakwethu, tell me what your honest opinion is, and am I reaching? And also do like, share, and subscribe.